Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture error you are getting in Fortnite or in Valorant. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After selecting the drive, you just need to select a custom size. And now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just close stuff here. Now check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Just to copy the value depends on the RAM. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying the 16 GB value over here. The maximum size, same thing. Copy the value depends on the RAM. After pasting installer size and maximum size, select the set option. Now the value should be set under paging file size. Select the OK option. Select apply and OK. Select OK option. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.